Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Sezzle at GameStop step by step. So let's start with the first step, which is to pick Sezzle at GameStop checkout. So add your items on the GameStop.com and then go to the checkout and select Sezzle. So buy now, pay later, and for as the payment method. Next is go ahead and sign in to Sezzle. So a Sezzle window opens. So you have to log in with your email and password, or you can also create a new account in 60 seconds. Next is review your four payments. So Sizzle shows your payment schedule. So that is 25% today, then three equal payments every 2 weeks. So you have to take that note. So next is confirm and place your order. So tap confirm, then pays GameStop in full, and then your order is placed instantly. Lastly is track the payments in the Sizzle application. So just open the Sizzle app to see your game shop order and then next payment date and also the pay early options. So just a pro tip, you paying off early bumps your spending limit, so which helps for bigger game shop purchases later. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.